Many modern smartphones use face recognition as an advanced security feature, and we wanted to see how we could utilize this advanced technology for broader use. Our development team decided to create a mobile application that can recognize people in pictures and video. Here's how we approached this task. We start by taking a picture inside the mobile application. The first step is face detection. Every photo contains millions of pixels that make up an image. Our application has to analyze the image and determine which part of it contains a face. We can use the core mobile OS services or a trained neural network to detect one or multiple faces on the original picture. Then, we add a small frame to ensure that the whole face fits into the selected part of the image. After that, we scale the image to a reasonable size, which is about 300 by 300 pixels. This is just enough to extract the face landmarks correctly and not to overload the application server. On the second step, we extract the face landmarks. These landmarks of the human face are specific to every individual and can be used to recognize a person, similar to a fingerprint. This process is resource intensive and can't be done with straightforward algorithms. So, we use the neural network to determine the landmarks. We used an open source library and the already trained neural networks on the first two steps. These landmarks allow for recognizing the user's face even when he's smiling, wearing glasses, or crying. The accuracy of the face recognition with this approach reaches an incredible 99.8%. The third step is landmarks comparison. We store landmarks for every picture as the multi-dimensional array. To compare the source landmarks with other landmarks stored in the user's pictures database, we need to calculate the Euclidean distance between the vectors. We set up the distance threshold in the application source code, and we use this value to identify the person on the picture. This comparison operation doesn't take too much time compared to the face detection and landmarks extraction operations. Our application performs the landmark comparison in real time. At the end of the day, we created both iOS and Android applications that allow us to easily recognize employees. However, we can also leverage facial recognition with the user's friends on Facebook or LinkedIn, connecting the appropriate API. In this case, the application will find the person on Facebook or LinkedIn once you have a picture of them. Our custom solution can be easily modified for your security needs. Installing our software in an enterprise environment combined with real-time live video streaming can ensure that only your employees are given access to your offices, labs, or even conference rooms. Contact us to learn more about our mobile development services.